Hi, my name's Archie, and sometimes having more than one screen can make your life so much easier. This is especially true if you need to keep lots of tabs or documents open on your laptop to refer to. Setting up a dual setup is actually a lot easier than you may think. Just make sure you have a second screen ready. You will also require an HDMI cable. This will need to be plugged both into the second screen and your laptop. If you are unsure at what an HDMI cable looks like, it's this type of cable. You can find them on Amazon if you need to. Most laptops will have a little button that allows you quick access to setting up your display settings. It looks like this. It is available on the F8 key. Pressing this will greet you with a sidebar, allowing you to select how you want your display to be. Select Extend. You should now be able to drag any document onto the second screen and utilise the screen as an extension of your laptop. If this isn't working, you may need to get Windows to detect your screen. In order to do this, go to Start, click Settings, System, and then Display. If you cannot see your monitor being recognised within the Multiple Displays section, click Detect to solve the problem. Now you have full use of a dual screen setup.
I've been Archie, your Educat. See you next time for more tips and tricks.